Hello everyone, this is Samsung Level U Bluetooth headset. Today we are going to see how to connect this one with an iPod. So we have a power on and off button. Already turned it on, so by sliding here we can switch it off, and then move it to here. This is the on button, it's on now. So we have 3 more buttons. This is for the volume up and down, and this one to connect, to make sure it is to make it available, Bluetooth available. So long press this one, then see we have a LED indication light. This one will change into blue and red, then that means it is available for connection. So look at here in the iPod, we have that Samsung Level U is coming. So tap that, see it's connected now. That's all guys, that's how we can connect the Samsung Level U Bluetooth headset to an iPod. Thank you, have a nice day.